Hi, this is the team at Easel, and today we're excited to announce an update to our outline bit feature. When we launched the outline bit, it was as an extension to two-stage carving. You would have your roughing pass, your detail pass, and you could add the outline bit pass, which would carve the outline vector toolpath for your project. Now, we've updated the feature so that you no longer need to be doing a two-stage carve to add an outline bit. You can do a single-stage carve and still add an outline bit. To do that, start with your design and have one bit selected. You can then go and add an additional bit, and you'll now be given the choice between detail and outline bit. When you select outline bit, very similar to when you selected it on a two-stage carve, you can select the bit you want, and that will add the outline bit to your design. When we simulate this design, we can see the part that's getting carved by the bit that we've selected and then the bit that we selected for the detail or the outline pass. This allows for flexibility and making it easier to carve with multiple bits. You'll have a lot more control over the types of bits you use and the amount of passes that you need to achieve the goals of your project. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.